Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, we're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Arrows RC F4U CORSAIR. We're going to have a little bit of fun with a 1.1 meter wingspan. Timer set for 6 minutes. I'm running a 2700 4S shoved down in the sideways down in the battery bay, but we'll talk about that after the flight. So let's get it up in the air. All right, here we go. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Wind is basically coming right at me across the runway, but not too bad. You look at my flags there. And I'm going to take her up and have a little bit of fun with her. Great flying warbird. Got lights, flaps, rotating retracts, got everything. Remember, stay on that rudder, especially when that tail gets up. Yeah, see? All right, let's see if I can. Up. Nope.
Prop secured.
But, you know, hey, it's part of it. Very light little plane. And you can see how far down them wheels are dug in. Oh, look at all the grass on that. Look how filthy that is. That's lawn maintenance with an RC plane.
Motor on.
All right. Yeah.
Gear up.
All right. Get back where I'm supposed to be standing at here. Trying to fly the plane and walk sideways, keeping your face pointed at the plane is a kind of a little bit of active coordination there. Great flying warbird. Now I've actually got her in the air. Love them lights.
Time
Actually need a
remaining 5 minutes.
a little bit of down trim. Overcast day, those lights are really showing up. Da 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 da. My high-tech sound effects there. Inverted flight is not an issue.
Gear down. Time remaining 4 minutes.
All right. Avoid the power lines for one thing.
Gear up.
A little touch and go. Coming right at us. Fly it like the warbird it's supposed to be. Notice how she torqued off to one side as soon as I gave her some gas.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Fun plane. I'm hoping I'm not cutting this off in the camera.
Gear down.
That's lousy. Lousy landing. We can do better than that. Yeah. Still got the gear down. There we go. There we go.
Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, let's do a stall. All right, you're flying along level, kill the power. Hold the elevator, hold the elevator, hold the elevator, hold the elevator, hold the elevator. All right, she just flumps forward. This is what I want. All right, do it again, coming right at us this time. Long level, motor's dead, dead stick just gliding. Holding the elevator, elevator, elevator. All right, she just kind of slumps forward. I gotta get down low because I got a real airplane. Way up there though. Yeah, had to stay down low because I had a real airplane coming
Gear
by.
down.
All right, let's go ahead and land it and get you a battery report. Beautiful plane. I can do better than that.
One minute.
Gear is still down. Determined to get a good landing here, even with a cross breeze. I've flown this plane a little while. Crappy landing, but we'll make one more attempt.
30 seconds.
Whoa! Whoa! I think I lost something. I think I broke something. Me being stupid, letting pride dictate my
20
actions.
seconds.
Yeah, that's what happened. Broke my gear.
Prop secured. Gear up.
Oh, so stupid of me. Oh, what did I break? Well,
Gear down. Gear up. Gear down. Gear up.
all right, well, despite my stupidity, I say I can't believe I did that, but I can believe me doing that. To show you how I had that battery. Now, that was entirely my fault. That battery is sideways down in that trough. As you can see, I got it slid in there this way. You just slide it right down in there, and she'll CG perfect right there. This is a China. It's actually a brand new battery. It's only the second time I've ever used it. And this is a 2700 4S. Oh gosh, 10%. So good thing we stopped. But that is a 2700 4S 40C discharge China Hobby brand. Good little battery. I've used, like I said, I've used this. This is the second flight on this one. The first flight I used it in with its brother in the P38, which I didn't bring today. Now I got to try to figure out how I've damaged that retract. I'll take it out, unplug it, plug it back in, which is no problem. You got 4 screws there. Pull it right out, run your channel, carefully lift up your servo or the tape there that just lifts right up, and then pull your radio. Then it'll come out through here, and check it out. And if you have to replace it. You can get parts from. If this has to be replaced, I can get it from HOBBYZONE. Probably have to buy the set though, and that's going to run about $35. But this is just too nice of a plane not to keep in the air just because of one retract. I was running a Lemon RX Gen 2 stabilized receiver with wind mitigation. That's the one that doesn't have self-level. And this is just a great flying plane. It really is, folks. If you're looking for a great, your first scale, smaller warbird that's not going to break the bank, this is a great flying plane. I run on a 4S. The manual says 3S. I run on 4S. I've never had a problem. Plenty of speed, plenty of power. And remember, power means safety. It gets you out of trouble, okay? But yeah, I love it. It's a great flying warbird. If it's not, it's probably my favorite warbird. All the warbirds I have, this is probably my favorite, given the size, how easy it is to fly, getting it out here quickly, getting in the air, don't have any setup, you know. Just a great flying plane. Ran around 100% throws with 30% expo. Yeah, I just have the one rate, 100%, 30% expo. Didn't even use flaps, but let me share the flap settings with you. Too windy today. With flaps up, this is the inboard flap or outboard flaps. They're just right there. Negative 100%. Okay, there's no mix whatsoever. Takeoff, which I don't have the battery in, is 0%, and then landing's 100% positive. So, but did need flaps. Stay too windy. All right, well, y'all have a good, and God bless y'all. Don't forget faith, family, and friends. And then Corsairs, God is good. Thank you, HOBBYZONE. I'll have to get you some more retracts. All right, bye, y'all.